Homestead, a house and the surrounding land, often used for farming or other agricultural activities. Bungalow, a small, single-story house with a low-pitched roof.
Duplex.
A house divided into two separate living units, each with its own entrance.
Condominium.
A type of housing where residents own their individual unit but share common areas with other residents.
Townhouse.
A multi-level home that shares one or more walls with neighboring houses.
Ranch style.
A one-story house with a low-pitched roof and a long, open floor plan.
Split level.
A house with multiple levels that are only partially separated by short flights of stairs.
Victorian.
A style of architecture characterized by ornate details, steep roofs, and multiple stories.
Tudor.
A style of architecture characterized by steeply pitched roofs, half-timbered exteriors, and brick or stone walls.
Cape Cod.
A style of architecture characterized by a steeply pitched roof with dormer windows, a central chimney, and a symmetrical facade.
Craftsman.
A style of architecture characterized by handcrafted details, natural materials, and a low-pitched roof.
Colonial.
A style of architecture characterized by symmetry, ornate details, and a central entrance.
Contemporary.
A style of architecture characterized by clean lines, large windows, and an emphasis on functionality. Mediterranean, a style of architecture characterized by stucco walls, red tile roofs, and wrought iron accents.
Acreage.
A measure of land equal to 43,560 square feet or 4,047 square meters. Foyer, an entryway or hallway in a house or apartment.
Skylight.
A window installed in a roof or ceiling to allow natural light to enter.
Bay window.
A window that protrudes from the wall, creating a small alcove or seating area. Balcony, an outdoor platform attached to an upper floor of a building.
Patio.
An outdoor space adjacent to a house or apartment, often used for dining or entertaining.
Deck.
A raised platform, often made of wood or composite materials, attached to a house or apartment. Fireplace, an architectural feature designed for heating a room, often with a chimney or flue to vent smoke. Mantel, a shelf or decorative framework surrounding a fireplace.
Kitchen island.
A freestanding cabinet or counter in the center of a kitchen, often used for food preparation and storage.
Walk-in closet.
A large, often windowless closet that is big enough to walk into.
Ensuite bathroom.
A bathroom that is directly connected to a bedroom and can only be accessed through that room. Powder room, a small bathroom that contains only a toilet and sink.
Study.
A room designated for working or studying, often furnished with a desk and bookshelves.
Midroom.
An entryway or small room adjacent to the main entrance, often used for storing shoes and outerwear. Laundry room, a room designated for washing and drying clothes, often equipped with a washer, dryer, and storage cabinets. Abode, a place where one resides, a dwelling or a home.
Hearth.
The floor of a fireplace, symbolizing home and family life.
Domicile.
A place of residence or a home, often used in legal or official contexts.
Habitat.
A natural environment or setting that a particular organism or species lives in, but can also refer to one's home or dwelling. Residency, the act of residing or living in a particular place, such as a home or dwelling. Dwelling, a place where one lives, such as a house or apartment, often implying a sense of comfort and permanence. Tenement, a multi-occupancy building or apartment, often with lower income or working-class residents. Maisonette, a two-story apartment or dwelling, typically with a separate entrance for each floor. Villa, a large and luxurious house, often in a suburban or rural setting. Bungalow, a small, cozy house or cottage, often with a single floor and a veranda or porch. Chateau, a grand, ornate country house or mansion, typically associated with European nobility and aristocracy. Condominium, a multi-unit residential building or complex, with individual units owned by different residents. Manor, a large, stately country house, often with extensive grounds and gardens. Penthouse, an apartment or dwelling located on the top floor of a high-rise building, often with luxurious amenities and views. Ranch style, a single-story house or dwelling, often with a sprawling layout and a focus on indoor-outdoor living. Chalet, a wooden house or cottage, often in a mountainous or snowy setting, designed for winter sports or retreats. Yurt, a circular, tent-like dwelling made of felt or fabric, often used by nomadic or pastoral peoples. Flat, a British term for an apartment or dwelling unit, typically located in a multi-story building. Palazzo, an Italian term for a grand, ornate palace or mansion, often associated with Renaissance or Baroque architecture.